Hey, this is Russ. Hey, today's my birthday. Guess what I got? A new toy, new cooking toy. My daughter and son-in-law bought me something new. Look at this. Anova Sous Vide. What is Sous Vide? Well, this is called the Precision Cooker. This one's Wi-Fi enabled, 1000 watts. New item. I had heard about sous vide from a friend of mine. I had never heard of this either. But as I did a little bit of research on it, I found out this is probably the easiest way to cook. Now, you might know I like to cook, but I'm a lazy cook. I'm gonna find the easiest way to do things, and I'm gonna do it that way. That's the only way to go, right? Sous vide is not a new method, but it, I guess, originally had always been an expensive way to do things because they didn't have inexpensive devices. But now these things have come down a little bit in price. They're still not cheap, but cheaper now. So what is this? This allows us to cook by putting your food, typically protein, in a plastic bag, which is then vacuumed out in air and then put into a water bath. This thing is going to help circulate the hot water around the water bath. And so I waited until today. She gave this to me on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. And I wanted to wait until my birthday to open this. This was a combination birthday Christmas gift. We didn't see them on Christmas, unfortunately. They spent time with my son-in-law's family, and so we saw them just on Sunday. We went out for dinner. That was our birthday dinner. And by the way, my daughter's birthday is the same day as my birthday, so it's her birthday today too. So happy birthday to her and to me. Anyways, I wanted to wait till today to open it up for you guys. And my wife said to me, "Where would you like to go for your birthday dinner?" So I thought, why go out? We're gonna cook our own. So I ran out to Costco, picked up some steaks, and we're gonna do some sous vide steaks today. But I may split this video up into two. Today we'll do a quick unboxing first, and then we'll do a second part where we're gonna be making the sous vide steaks. So anyways, let's open this thing up. I've been waiting so long to open this, and so we're just gonna cut into this, what do they call this, shrink wrap. Let's see how this looks like. We don't need the rest of this, so I'll take the whole thing off of here. How's that? Get rid of that. Throw that out. And let's see what's in here. It's actually in two parts. This is another piece here. I'll show you in a second. So unboxing this, they have greetings, food nerd. It says, well, yeah, I guess we are food nerds. Interestingly enough, my son-in-law is a food nerd too. He's into all this stuff too. And I recall my daughter saying, you know, when I bought a whole bunch of cast iron, she says, "Dad, don't buy any more. I don't want to inherit all this cast iron." Hey, he's into cast iron too. And he's going to get it one of these days when I'm gone. He's going to inherit all that. Anyways, quick start guide. Yeah, we'll definitely need that. Quick start guide. And yeah, it's going to tell us a little bit how to do this. I don't think this is that hard. I've been watching some videos, and I says, yeah, I can do this. This is a piece of cake. So let's see if there's any more things to this. This is the unit itself. Anova. So there's a clamp right here, which allows us to clamp this onto this, which is the device we use to put the things in. So let's put this down for a second. Let me see if there's anything else underneath here just to be safe. Nope, not a whole lot of anything. It's just a unit. Little greetings, food nerd. Greetings, food nerds. And a quick startup guide. That's okay. All right. So let's put this back. Get rid of that. Gotta clear some space here. So let's move that back here. And then we have this one here, which is the water tank essentially. Let's open that up. These are nice boxes. You ever notice these companies really put a lot of effort into packaging? Wow, they really got it in here good. So let's get in here and a little more. There we go. Let's open this up. Alright, so this tells us, I guess, some things you can purchase as accessories. We're not going to do that. There's a little thing here, which you have multiple bags and the like inside there. This keeps it separated. So that's going to go in there. Let's get rid of some of this extra packaging. Let's throw that on the ground. Let's move this out here. Right here. Let's move this to the ground. There we go. It's in the bag. Wow, this thing's big. So it's got its own lid, and it seems to be some type of silicone seal on here. And I guess the seal helps when the water's in here. It doesn't evaporate all the water when it's hot. It has its own instructions, safety precautions as well. So we do see some things that they prefer you to do, but this is not going to be hard at all. All they're going to ask you to do is put some water. Let me move this to the side here. Put some water in here. Put the unit, I believe, it's going to clamp over here. These little arrows, let's see. That's going to clamp to the side here. And then this is going to go right in here. Move the knife, we don't want to kill ourselves on that. So let's move this way so you can see the whole thing. There we go. That's pretty cool, huh? Let's see how this other part goes in here. I think, if I'm not mistaken, since this is rounded here, there's a couple of clip areas here too. So this sits right on top here, just like that. Then your bags can go right in here, so it keeps things separated, so you can have multiple bags of food running at the same time. And then this will sit in here, right on top. You can't get any easier than this. And this thing is actually Wi-Fi enabled, so I will be able to use, once I download the app, use my phone and actually control this. So I'm looking forward to that. So that is the quick unboxing, and again, none of my videos are ever really quick. The next video we're going to do, we're going to actually make some steaks. Stay tuned. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and definitely hit the share and the bell icon so you know when new videos from me come out. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. We're going to cook up some steaks, sous vide style. See you guys next time.